Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide titles from your viewing history on Netflix. So let's get started. To do this, you need to open the Netflix on your browser, and then you just need to go to your account page. Click this and then go to account, and then go to this profile and parental controls, and then click on this, and at the viewing activity here, we're going to open this, and then on the activity page, click on the hide from viewing history icon next to the title that you want to hide. For example, like, let's just click this, and then it will take up to 24 hours for a hidden title to be removed from all your devices. So you need to wait. So within 24 hours, this title or this episode will no longer appear in the Netflix service, as the title you watch will no longer be used to make recommendation to you unless you watch it again. Okay, and you can also choose to hide a series. So I'm going to hide a title, movie title, like this. So you need to wait 24 hours to this to not appear in your viewing history. Okay, when you're done, you just can go back to the back to your account, just like so. Okay, so that is for me. That is how you can hide titles from your viewing history on Netflix. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe our channel for more content. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.